everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's getting really hot out there, and this week's recipe is going to help you beat the summer's heat. It's none other than my vegan pistachio kulfi. It's a great dairy alternative. I know you must be surprised. How can kulfi be made vegan? But it's very easy and simple. You can make it using soy milk, but if you don't like soy milk, you can also make it using almond milk or oat milk. It's a very quick and easy recipe, but you just need to wait 24 hours before you actually get to eat it. And I absolutely love it. It's filled with flavor and it tastes really good. Let's give it a bite. Click the link in the description box for a full list of ingredients you require to make this recipe. To make the kulfi, in a food processor or grinder, add your whole cashew nuts and grind them until they become a fine powder. This is how you want them to look. In the same food processor or grinder, add your pistachios and grind them as well until they become a fine powder. Make sure you don't overgrind them, as you don't want to make nut butter over here. You want to ground them as fine as you possibly can, just like that. Now transfer the grounded pistachios and cashew nuts into a separate bowl and keep it aside. Now in a separate bowl, mix in your rice flour and milk. Using a spoon, mix all of it together until no lumps remain. Set aside when you're done. Moving on to the most important part of this recipe. In a large pan over medium heat, add the remaining milk. Keep the flame at low or medium, as you don't want to boil the milk. At this stage, you want to continue stirring your milk for about 20 minutes. The milk will reduce by at least 30% and will become slightly thicker. If your milk doesn't reduce as much or doesn't become as thick, don't worry about it, because when you add the rice flour and milk mixture, it's going to get really thick. Since I love the taste of soy milk, I'm using it to make this vegan kulfi recipe. But if you don't like soy milk, you can use any other plant-based milk of your choice to make this kulfi recipe. After 20 minutes on a medium heat, add your sugar and continue to mix. Make sure you try your kulfi before adding all your sugar, as you might not need all of it. Every type of milk has a different level of sweetness and a different color, so your kulfi might not turn out the same color like mine depending on the milk you use. If you're using coconut or brown sugar just like me, the mixture will turn slightly pale yellow or light brown, so don't worry about this. Continue stirring until all the sugar dissolves. After 2 minutes of continuous stirring, add the rice flour and milk mixture. Using a whisk, stir for a further 2 minutes to prevent any formation of lumps. Give your hands a good exercise and mix your kulfi mixture really well until there are no lumps left. Now add in your cashew nut and pistachio mix. Now using a whisk, mix everything well together. Add in your cardamom and mix well. Switch off the flame and move your pan aside. Your milk should be slightly thicker now, just like that. As soon as your kulfi starts to cool, it will become more thick. Now into the pan add in salt, saffron, rose water, as well as some optional green food coloring. Now mix everything really well. Once you're done mixing, add 3/4 of the chopped almonds and pistachios into the mixture. The kulfi mixture should look quite thick by now. If you have a kulfi mold just like this one, you can use these for this recipe. Sprinkle some of the remaining chopped almonds and pistachios into the mold. Next, add in your kulfi mixture into the molds one at a time. If you don't have these molds, don't worry, you can head over to my website for suggestions for alternative molds. Now sprinkle the remaining chopped almonds and pistachios over your kulfi. Once you're done, you can cover the kulfi using a lid or using an aluminum foil just like me. Poke a popsicle stick or a chopstick in the middle of the foil. I'm using this technique because I want to serve my kulfi as a popsicle. Once you're done, pop your kulfi into the freezer for at least 24 hours before serving. Demold the kulfi using warm water and serve the vegan kulfi topped with more nuts and rose petals. I feel I could eat this whole plate. Do you want some? If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I shall see you again with another exciting recipe next week. Bye!